Namo Namaha. Welcome back, students. In today's session, we are going to begin with a new chapter, that is DG Bharatam. DG Bharatam means Digital India. This lesson is a short essay which provides us information about the numerous benefits and uses of the internet. As science and technology have evolved, our lifestyle experienced changes. Every innovation or invention of science has significantly affected the lifestyle across the globe. The same is applicable for the internet as well. Right from the basic needs to the utmost luxuries, every aspect of our lifestyle has been impacted by the internet. The world is a global city now, and the internet is in a lot way responsible for that. With the power of the web, smartphones and computers, we can get easily connected with anyone at any time from anywhere. Various facilities such as reservation of seats, paying our phone bills or electricity bills online, online banking, online shopping, even the online education which you all are experiencing now have been made available to all of us through the internet. So students, this lesson DG Bharatam gives us information about these various benefits of internet. I hope you will enjoy the lesson. So let's get started. Students, the first Anuchhedaha of the lesson is very big. So I have divided it into 3 parts. Let's see the first part of the first Anuchhedaha.
Here is the first part of the Anuchhedaha. I'll read it out. अद्य सम्पूर्ण विश्वे डिजिटल इंडिया इत्यस्य चर्चा श्रूयते. अस्य पदस्य कः भावः इति मनसि जिज्ञासा उत्पद्यते. कालपरिवर्तनेन सह मानवस्य आवश्यकतापि परिवर्तते. प्राचीनकाले ज्ञानस्य आदानप्रदानं मौखिकम् आसीत्. विद्या च श्रुतिपरम्परया गृह्यते स्म. अनन्तरं तालपत्रोपरि भोजपत्रोपरि च लेखनकार्यम् आरब्धम्. Let me mark the words with sandhihi or sanyogah. The words are avashyakatapi, talapatropari and bhojapatropari. Let's see the resolution of these words. Avashyakatapi, the dissolution is avashyakata plus api. Talapatropari, the dissolution is talapatra plus upari. Bhojapatropari, the dissolution is bhojapatra plus upari. Now let's see the meanings of the words and the translation of the part. अद्य सम्पूर्ण विश्वे डिजिटल इंडिया इत्यस्य चर्चा श्रूयते. अद्य today, सम्पूर्ण विश्वे across the world, डिजिटल इंडिया इत्यस्य चर्चा discussion श्रूयते is heard. The discussion about Digital India is heard across the world today. The discussion about Digital India is heard across the world today. अस्य पदस्य कः भावः इति मनसि जिज्ञासा उत्पद्यते. अस्य पदस्य of this word कः भावः, what is the meaning? What is the meaning of this word? Iti manasi in mind. Jidnyasa means curiosity. Udpadyate arises. What is the meaning of this word? Such a curiosity arises in mind. Kalaparivartanena saha manavasya avashyakatapi parivartate. Kalaparivartanena saha, according to the change in time. Manavasya avashyakata, needs of human beings, parivartate, also change. According to the change in time, the needs of human beings also change. Prachina kale ज्ञानस्य आदानप्रदानं मौखिकम् आसीत्. प्राचीनकाले, in ancient times, ज्ञानस्य आदानप्रदानम्, exchange of knowledge, मौखिकम् आसीत्, was done orally. In ancient times, the exchange of knowledge was done orally. It means knowledge was imparted and received or acquired orally. Vidya cha shruti paramparaya gruhyate sma. Vidya, knowledge. Shruti paramparaya, through the tradition of listening to the teacher. Gruhyate sma, was acquired. And knowledge was acquired through the tradition of listening to the teacher. In ancient times, the exchange of knowledge was done orally and knowledge was acquired through the tradition of listening to the teacher. It means the knowledge was acquired in Gurukul. Anantaram talapatropari bhojapatropari cha lekhanakaryam arabdham. Anantaram, later. Talapatropari, on palm leaves. Talapatram, palm leaf. Talapatropari, on palm leaves. Bhojapatram means birch bark. Bhojapatropari means on birch barks. Lekhanakaryam, writing. Arabdham, started. Later, the writing on palm leaves and birch barks started. Later, the writing on palm leaves and birch barks started. Students, birch is a kind of a tree. Its white paper-like bark was used in ancient times for writing Sanskrit scriptures or texts. Talapatram means palm leaf. Palm leaves were also used as writing materials. Here you can see the picture of texts written on Talapatram and Bhojapatram. Now let's see the Visheshan Vishesha Padani from the given part of the Anuchedaha. There is only one pair of Visheshan Vishesham. Maukhikam, this word is the Visheshanam of the Vishesham Adana Pradanam. Kala Parivartanena Saha. As you can see, the word Kala Parivartanena is used in Tritiya Vibhaktihi and it is because of the word Saha. Saha, this is an indeclinable, it means with and it governs Tritiya Vibhaktihi. Now let's see Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani based on the given part of the lesson. Paryaya Padani, Kautuhalam, the Paryaya Padam is Jidnyasa. Chitte, the Paryaya Padam is Manasi. Vidyayaha, Paryaya Padam is Jnanasya. Anantaram, Paryaya Padam is Paschat. Let's see the Viloma Padani. Vina, the Viloma Padam is Saha. Purvam, the Viloma Padam is Anantaram. And Samaptam, the Viloma Padam is Arabdham. I hope you have understood it.
So students, we have seen the first part of the first Anuchedaha. Now I'm going to take you to the next part of the Anuchedaha.
Here is the next part of the Anuchedaha. I'll read it out. Paravartini kale kargadasya lekhanyaha cha avishkarena सर्वेषामेव मनोगतानां भावानां कर्गदोपरि लेखनं प्रारब्धम्. टङ्कणयन्त्रस्य आविष्कारेण तु लिखिता सामग्री टङ्किता सती बहुकालाय सुरक्षिता अतिष्ठत्. वैज्ञानिकप्रविधेः प्रगतियात्रा पुनरपि अग्रे गता. अद्य सर्वाणि कार्याणि सङ्गणकनामकेन यन्त्रेण साधितानि भवन्ति. Now, I'll mark the words with sandhihi or sanyogah. Sarveshameva kargadopari punarapi. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Sarveshameva is the example of Sanyogah and the dissolution is Sarvesham plus Eva. Kargadopari is the example of Sandhihi and the dissolution is Kargada plus Upari. Punarapi is again an example of Sandhihi and the dissolution is Punah plus Api. Now let's see the meanings of the words and the translation of the given part. Paravartini Kale means as time passed by. Kargadasya lekhanyaha cha avishkarena. Kargadasya of paper. Lekhanyaha of pen. Avishkarena due to the invention. Due to the invention of paper and pen. Sarveshameva manogatanam bhavanam. Manogatanam bhavanam means thoughts existing in mind. All the thoughts existing in mind. Kargadopari lekhanam prarabdham. Kargadopari on paper. Lekhanam writing. Writing on paper. Prarabdham started. As time passed by, due to the invention of paper and pen, the writing of all the thoughts existing in mind on paper started. टङ्कनयन्त्रस्य आविष्कारेण तु लिखिता सामग्री टङ्किता सती बहुकालाय सुरक्षिता अतिष्ठत्. टङ्कनयन्त्रं नाम टाइपराइटर. आविष्कारेण due to the invention of the typewriter. Likhita samagri. Likhita written. Samagri material. The written material. Tankita sati which was typed. Bahukalaya for a long time. Surakshita atishtat could be preserved. Surakshita atishtat could be preserved. The translation of the sentence is, due to the invention of the typewriter, the written material which was typed could be preserved for a long time. वैज्ञानिक प्रविधेः प्रगति यात्रा पुनरपि अग्रे गता. वैज्ञानिक प्रविधेः of the scientific technology. Pragati yatra, the journey of progress. The journey of progress of the scientific technology. Punarapi, again. Agre gata, moved on. The journey of progress of the scientific technology again moved on. अद्य सर्वाणि कार्याणि संगणकनामकेन यन्त्रेण साधितानि भवन्ति. अद्य today or nowadays. Sarvani karyani, all the works or all the tasks, sanganaka namakena yantrena, by the machine called computer, sadhitani bhavanti, are carried out or are accomplished. Today, all the tasks or works are carried out by the machine called computer. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see the Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given part of the Anuchchedah. The word Paravartini is the Visheshanam of the word Kale. The word Manogatanam is the Visheshanam of the Vishesham Bhavanam. The words Likhita, Tankita and Surakshita are the Visheshanani of the word Samagri, and the words Sarvani and Sadhitani are the Visheshane of the word Karyani. Now let's see the Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani from the given part of the Anuchchedah. Kale, the Paryaya Padam is Samaye. Kalamasya, the Paryaya Padam is Lekhanyaha. Let's see the Viloma Padani. Alpakalaya, the Viloma Padam is Bahukalaya. and Prushtatah, the Vilomapadam is Agre. I hope you have understood it.
So students, we have seen the second part of the first Anuchchedah. I hope you have understood it. Now let's move on to the next part, that is the third part of the Prathamaha Anuchchedah.
Here is the next part of the Anuchchedah. I'll read it out. Try to understand the pronunciation of words. Samachara patrani pustakani cha computer madhyamena pathyante likhyante cha कर्गदोद्योगे वृक्षाणाम् उपयोगेन वृक्षाः कर्त्यन्ते स्म परं संगणकस्य अधिकाधिकप्रयोगेण वृक्षाणां कर्तने न्यूनता भविष्यति इति विश्वासः अनेन पर्यावरणसुरक्षायाः दिशि महान् उपकारो भविष्यति. Now I'll mark the words with sandhihi. कर्गदोद्योगे and upakaro bhavishyati. There are only two examples of sandhihi. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Kargadodyoge, the dissolution is kargada plus udyoge, and upakaro bhavishyati, the dissolution is upakarah plus bhavishyati. Now let's see the meanings of the words and the translation of the given part of the Anuchchedah. Samachara patrani means newspapers, pustakani cha and books, computer madhyamena pathyante likhyante cha. Computer madhyamena, through the medium of computer, pathyante are read, likhyante are written. Newspapers and books are read and written through the medium of computer. कर्गदोद्योगे वृक्षाणाम् उपयोगेन वृक्षाः कर्त्यन्ते स्म. कर्गदोद्योगे, in the paper industry, वृक्षाणाम् उपयोगेन, because of the utilization of trees. Trees are used to make the paper. वृक्षाः कर्त्यन्ते स्म, and due to that many trees were cut down. The translation of the sentence is, due to the utilization of trees in the paper industry, many trees were cut down. परं संगणकस्य अधिकाधिकप्रयोगेण वृक्षाणां कर्तने न्यूनता भविष्यति इति विश्वासः. परं, but, संगणकस्य अधिकाधिकप्रयोगेण, due to the more and more usage of computer, वृक्षाणां कर्तने, in the cutting of trees, न्यूनता means reduction, bhavishyati, there will be a reduction in the cutting of trees, iti vishwasah, it is believed that due to the more and more usage of computer, there will be a reduction in the cutting of trees. अनेन पर्यावरणसुरक्षायाः दिशि महान् उपकारो भविष्यति. अनेन, by that, पर्यावरणसुरक्षायाः, of the protection of the environment, दिशि, in the direction, महान् उपकारः, a great favor, भविष्यति, will be done. By that, a great favor will be done in the direction of the protection of the environment. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see the pairs of Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given part of the Anuchchedah. There is only one pair of Visheshan Visheshya Padam. The word Mahan is the Visheshanam of the word Upakarah. Now I am taking you to the Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani based on the given part of the Anuchchedah. Here are the Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani. Taravah athva drumaha, the Paryaya Padam is Vrukshaha. Anugrahah, the Paryaya Padam is Upakarah. And the Viloma Pade are Adhikyam, the Viloma Padam is Nyunata. And Apakarah, the Viloma Padam is Upakarah.
So here ends the explanation part. Students, I have selected one of the parts that we have seen today, and I'm going to ask you questions based on it. So get ready to solve the questions.
Here is the Gadyanshah. Students, you can pause the video and can think about the answers. Once it is done, you can go to the part where the answers are displayed. Let's see the questions. Ekapadena uttarata. Manogatanam bhavanam kutra lekhanam prarabdham. The second question is Kasya pragati yatra agre gata. पूर्णवाक्येन उत्तरत अद्य सर्वाणि कार्याणि केन साधितानि भवन्ति. भाषिक कार्य क्वेश्चंस. अतिष्ठत् अस्य क्रियापदस्य कर्तृपदं किम्? एंड द सेकंड वन इज परवर्तिनी काले अनयोः विशेषणपदं किम्?
I hope you have solved all the questions and you are ready with your answers. Let's check them.
एकपदेन उत्तरत मनोगतानां भावानां कुत्र लेखनं प्रारब्धम्? Where did people start writing their thoughts? And the answer is Kargadopari. Kasya pragati yatra agre gata? The journey of progress of what moved on? And the answer is Vaidhyanika pravidhehe. पूर्णवाक्येन उत्तरत अद्य सर्वाणि कार्याणि केन साधितानि भवन्ति? With the help of what are all the works accomplished nowadays? And the answer is अद्य सर्वाणि कार्याणि संगणकनामकेन यंत्रेण साधितानि भवन्ति. भाषिक कार्य क्वेश्चंस. अतिष्ठत् अस्य क्रियापदस्य कर्तृपदं किम्? And the subject of the verb अतिष्ठत् is सामग्री. परवर्तिनी काले अनयोः विशेषणपदं किम्? Which word is the विशेषणम between paravartini and kale? And the answer is Paravartini. I hope your answers are correct.
That brings us to the end of the presentation. I hope you have understood the part discussed by us today. We will meet again with the next part. Dhanyavadaha. Punah milamah.